If you are wondering if you can use a power adapter that has 100 watts or more in order to charge Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer is yes. So not only you can just simply use it in order to charge the phone, because this works no matter how much watts you have. I guess if you have at least 5 watts, then it works. But the phone can charge the battery using 100 watts at most. So this means that if you have, or if you plan on purchasing a power adapter that has 100 watts exactly, then it's going to be perfect for Xiaomi 17T Pro. Ideally, you want to use the genuine Xiaomi power adapter because it has that hyper boost technology, or I think it's called like that. But it also supports PPS technology, PD 3.0 and QC4 with 100 watts. So if you have power adapter with one of these technologies, then it's going to be perfect for this smartphone. Of course, if you already have a power adapter that has 100 watts and now you are considering purchasing a power adapter that has more than that, like 120 watts for example, then like I said, it is going to work. I mean, it's going to charge the phone, but it won't make any difference in the charging speed. So if that's what you are concerned about, if you are wondering if you can increase the charging speed in that case, then unfortunately the answer is no, it won't make any difference. Because like I said, 100 watts is the most that the phone can use to charge the battery. Anything above it is just pointless at this point. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.